Hey, real quick question. How'd you like to make $250, $500, $1,000 or more per video you made with Explaindio? I'm talking about charging $250 to $500 per minute of video you make. And you can keep 100% of the profits. You can make these videos for your clients, or you can make it your business to create and sell videos. And an average video is 4.4 minutes long. So at just $250 a minute, you'd be able to charge $1,000 or more. And the best part? With Explaindio, you'll be able to create videos with ease in multiple different styles. From doodle videos, to explainer videos, to 2D or 3D videos, or even training videos. Just one 5-minute video would take you minutes to make, and you could profit $1,000 per video. One 5-minute video a week could make you $4,000 a month or $48,000 a year. Imagine what you could do if you took just a few hours a week, created 20 minutes of video at $200 per minute per video. That's 20 minutes at $200 per minute, $4,000 a week, $4,000 a week times 52 weeks, $208,000 a year. All for a few hours of work a week. All right, I know what you're thinking. All right, Robert, how? Well, here's how it works in 3 easy-to-follow steps. Are you ready? Step 1, you'd find clients that need video, and there are tons of them. You can head out to freelancer sites, reach out to existing clients, or use one of your lead tools that you probably already own to find people who are interested in video. Step 2, you find out what type of video they want, and then you create it. And the best part of Explaindio is you're not limited to just one style of video. You can offer an array of videos. From doodle animation videos that are super popular with digital marketers, to explainer videos that captivate and explain a service or product, 3D or 2D animated videos that may feature animated characters to engage viewers, or training videos for those who need to teach. Having all these options make it super easy to find the perfect video for your client or lead. After you figure out your client's needs, you just need to create the video, and that just takes a couple of minutes. And last but not least, step 3, collect your money. Once you've found the client, made the video, all you need to do is collect the money. And that's where you'll just need one little thing from us, the agency license to create and sell videos made with Explaindio for profit. And the best part, you get to keep 100% of the profits. So, if you're still watching this video, that means you are ready to follow these 3 simple steps to start your journey to making $200 a minute a video or more. You can sell any video you create with Explaindio. You can use them for your clients, and you'll keep 100% of the money you do collect. And that's why I'm so excited to offer you instant access to the Explaindio Agency License. That means you'll have the full license to use Explaindio however you want. You can sell the videos, you can be a freelancer and find clients. You can use them for your clients as well. You can let your team or employees create videos as they need for any project they're working for. And you keep 100% of the profits. All it requires is a single one-time investment to upgrade your license to the Explaindio Agency License. And also, as experienced entrepreneurs, we understand the need for outsourcing. Regular license allows you to install Explaindio on one computer and gives access to the cloud account for one user. And we know that agency clients may want to outsource the entire video creation process or have the team involved in the process, and we want to give you the ultimate flexibility to work less and earn more. So, as a part of this agency license, you'll get access to our most requested multi-user license feature, which gives you 4 more Explaindio licenses and up to 4 sub-users to your cloud account. It allows you to have your team or virtual workers involved in the video creation process, and it means that with the agency license, you can become a middleman. Outsource the entire process, sell great with Explaindio for top dollars online and offline. This single multi-user license feature can increase your profits many times over because you can churn out more videos for clients in a shorter amount of time. This is truly a tremendous deal. We're giving away an agency license for such a ridiculously low price because we want to keep providing you with a superior service so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits that you generate. That's what it's all about. So, click the button below right now to reserve your spot and become an agency license owner. And due to the astonishing value of what we're offering, the special time-sensitive early adopter price may be removed at any time without a notice. And this might be your only chance to become an agency license holder. Once you leave this page, we can't guarantee this one-time early adopter special price will still exist. In fact, I would not be surprised if the price doubles or even triples if you see this page again later. Plus, hey, you're covered by our 14-day money-back guarantee, so you have no risk and you can change your mind a little later. All right, so let's do it. Go ahead, click the upgrade button below. And let's get your license upgraded and get you on the way to earning up to $500 per minute of video you make, or even more. And I just can't wait to see how much profit you make. Hey, I'll see you on the other side.